Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm not even gonna make any excuses. Life has been happening. Life has been lifing, okay? Anyway, I am back with another video. This time I'm showing you a furnished apartment, my graduate law school apartment at Munger Graduate Residences at Stanford. And I did a little video on, my empty, apartment tour when I first got to Stanford. So this is the apartment now, completely furnished just before I moved out. Actually, I have now moved into a studio. This was a 2-bed, 2-bath. But I am now living alone and in a different apartment. So since I was moving out, I decided, you know what, it's now safe and okay for me to share how I decorated it. And I really am proud of this apartment. This was like my first big girl apartment. I was sharing with a roommate, but still, I really took a lot of time to decorate, put some art on the walls, and, put a couch cover, some pillows, some throw pillows. I got some plants. I became a plant mom in like the first 2 years since I was at Stanford. And many of them have since died, but it was fun while it lasted. Here you can see my room. That was the lounge that you just saw, the lounge and kind of dining area. This is my bedroom. It looks it felt much bigger than it looks in the video. But I really love the space. This was really my sanctuary, and it had kind of a little hallway, which is still part of my room, next to my bathroom. And I used that space actually to make a little art studio, and I'll make a separate video on that later. But this is my room. Again, very peaceful, very zen. I kept kind of this color scheme of the walls, which is actually very difficult to decorate with this color scheme. It's a little dull, and that yellow creamish color is really hard to decorate around. So I really struggled with that, but kind of decided to keep the neutrals. And I really found it very calming for the most part. And as you can see, this is a little glimpse of my studio, but I will show you guys that in detail later. This is my bathroom. This is I think the room that I struggled the most to decorate. And I really did not find my bathroom to be, a fun or inviting space. But I did put some artwork, my own artwork on the wall, and just honestly didn't do much with the bathroom. I just couldn't figure out how to decorate it. So hopefully in my new apartment I'll be able to be a little bit more creative and make it a lot more welcoming, and just less bland. But this is the bathroom. It had like a shower, a toilet, and kind of like a vanity area. Yeah, so this is my apartment tour, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.